glass house. You probably think it's too good to take the trash out. Well, are you dumb or you blind? Cause it's a real fine line between telling a joke and turning the knife. Don't wreck my reputation, let me wreck my own. Step off, yeah.